Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making some patitas con habichuela, which is pig feet with some beans, and these are the ingredients that I will be using. So here I have my pig feet. I have 1.5 pounds. I have my homemade sofrito, some green olives, a can of tomato sauce. I will be using the can of beans today, which is the pink ones. I also have a chicken knorr, 1 potato, 1 pack of Sazon, some black pepper, adobo, and garlic powder. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is open my patitas. This is the way it looks. They actually cut it for me. And then we're going to clean it really good, okay? So what I like to do is rinse it with really cold water. And then I'll come and I'll rinse it again. And then I add some vinegar to kill any bacteria that it may have. And then I'll rinse it with cold water again. So we'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that I cleaned it, I filled it up with water. I put it this high. Now I'm going to come with some sea salt. And I'm just going to add a little bit to your liking. And we're going to boil this for, I want to say, around 40 minutes to an hour so it can get nice and tender. Okay, we'll be right back. Hey guys, so it's been 40 minutes. I just want to check up on it. This is the way it's looking. I want to see if it's soft enough. If not, let me see. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just leave it for 20 more minutes and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so it's been another 20 minutes. Now what I'm going to come and do is check it to see how soft it is. That's soft enough. You see that? It's hot, be careful. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this off. And I'm going to put it in a separate bowl because now we're going to start the beans and we're going to put this back into the beans. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to come and do is take my beans. I'm going to open it. Okay, I will have the ingredients and exactly what I'm using, how I'm using it, everything in my description below, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw the whole thing in here. If you guys watch my previous videos, I do not like the liquid that comes in the beans. So what I'm going to come and do is just rinse it in cold water. See that? I don't like that. See how you still see that foam? We're going to keep rinsing this until it's nice and clean, okay? And when I say clean, I mean clean like this. Okay guys, so my flames is on a medium right now. What I'm going to do is add my pig feet back in, okay? Because I don't like the water after boiling it. I don't use it. So we're just going to add it back in here like this, okay? I'm also going to add my pack of Sazon. I'm also going to add my chicken cube. I'm going to add my garlic powder. And again, my ingredients and what I'm using will be in my description. Okay. I'm going to add my black pepper. My adobo. My green olives. My homemade sofrito. I will have the link in the bottom as well if you want to learn how to make your homemade sofrito. I'm going to add some more water. And I'm also going to add my Goya tomato sauce. Okay. Now I'm going to mix everything. Just like this. You want to make sure everything is well blended, okay? Well mixed. And then we're going to leave this for it to cook for like maybe 25 minutes to 30 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay guys, so it's been 25 minutes. Now I'm going to come and add my potatoes. And we're going to leave this for another 20 minutes. Okay? Look at how good that looks, yeah. And we'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is done. Look at how good this looks. Look at this. Hold on. Let me turn off the flames. And let me show you. You see this? Oh my goodness. And it smells so good. If you've never tried this, please try it. Once in your life, you have to try it. Okay? And again, I will have all the ingredients and the amount that I'm using in my description. So let's plate this up. Okay guys, so I just want to show you how this looks. Ooh, look at that. It's so good. I put it in a bowl because I wanted it to be the main star. I didn't want you to see it with nothing else. But I usually make this with white rice and avocado on the side. It is so good. If you guys try this, please let me know in the comments. If you guys have any recommendations, what you would like to see next. Also, let me know if you guys have any questions. Whatever it may be, I will respond. Again, I will have the ingredients and the amount I'm using in my description right under. And like always, have a blessed day. Enjoy.